Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you how to add Facebook profile to your Instagram banner on your Instagram profile. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Instagram app. The next thing you want to do is to click on your profile icon. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on add right here. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and select your Facebook profile. Successfully added. By the time you go to your Instagram account and you refresh, you'll find your Facebook profile clickable right here, which simply means that if anyone visits your profile and they click on this, it automatically redirects them to your Facebook profile. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks like this, consider subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.